In this RX90 videos, I'm demonstrating how you can install a composable storefront. We're cloning the composable front-end boilerplate repository, and then we do an npm install. npm install is taking most of the time, and it's no longer nowadays the fastest package manager of the world, but it's good enough for this demonstration because we have 90 seconds anyway. So let's have a look at the boilerplate. The boilerplate is a very lean boilerplate. There's not a lot of code in this one. There's some code for server-side rendering the application, and there's some code for client-side rendering of the application. The client-side rendering takes an HTML where we have the Oryx app root component, and we have here this JavaScript file, a JavaScript module, which is added. In the JavaScript module, you see that we have just a few lines of code where we're bootstrapping the app. There's an app builder API or function which you can use with a few APIs. We bring in storefront features, storefront theme, and some environment information. As you can see, it takes 47 seconds. And npm running uses Vite and only takes 269 milliseconds. And there you go. Under 90 seconds, we've installed Oryx. Have fun.